Welcome back, guys. Let's double check the AVAX, just a local zone here between 35 and the current prices. First of all, let's pay attention for the volume. And now the market, I can't say it's like consolidation, but many alts in accumulation zone. Global targets I already explained a million times for Avalanche. Let's focus only on the local one. Zones were more than okay to accumulate AVAX, with the stop losses, maybe even on a spot position. So of course, the main liquidity pool and the main stop losses can be under $8.59 if some got a chance to buy at these levels, because I heard a lot of people got issues with the orders, limit orders, market orders, October 10. So locally, we formed a downtrend. If we count the week levels of this daily time frame, we almost touch the 78 level by FIB. So basically, it's more than enough for correction. Now we stop at 0.5. So usually we have to, with the volume, so the last like 5 days, we saw the volume, but it was not a big spikes on candles. And now the best case, if we just consolidate it here and go higher. The worst case, of course, if we drop it down under $8.52. I don't think so. We're going to drop that low. The maximum pain, I think, can be if we again drop to 11.12. Also, I don't think so. We will drop to this level. I guess it's more than enough. $11, it's for correction. I think by end of the week, we can consolidate like this one and go higher to a daily imbalance zone and the higher price target. So by volume now, nothing. The main sales was here. Now the trading view, just today they posted a video, they added some fundamental metrics. I can say I will use so often all of them, because I'm not a fan of all this fundamental, because the fundamental absolutely not affect the price. It's basically the hype, the marketing, the posts from influencer drive the price more than just fundamental metrics or fundamental data or utility or the use case. But total value lock it. So like you can see, guys, it's kind of weird, but here the lock it volume, not the volume, was 4.46 billion. And looks like some insiders knew something and start selling before the Donald Trump. Because take a look, this is a daily time frame, and here was the main crash, right? But the main sales start even here is October 7. And after that, we just crash it down, TVL drop it to 2.3 billion. Now recover back around 279. So on the monthly time frame here, this is what we're looking for. For AVAX, it's 19 billion TVL, and it was the top of the top in December 2021. So now it's kind of not that picture what we waiting for from AVAX. Even here in November 2021, it was a bigger TVL. Now nothing. Let's go back to the daily time frame and the smaller one time frames. The yearly open sub 25 still in play. Wait, that targets the FIB we can hide. After, guys, 100% profit, just withdraw initial deposit. If we check, this is a monthly high, 15.11. So definitely will be like also magnet for the price. I add a lot of here's opens. So what we can see on the daily. On a daily, here's a Monday low, Monday high, monthly open. So basically it was the previous month's open. Right, this is now previous month's open, 1371, previous week's open. So what I don't like this, if we can call it the gap, because I found out, so when we form this week, drop it down, so in this case, it's not a gap, because this zone already tradable. If we check on the 12 time frame, now the case support can be, yes, Monday low and previous monthly open. So this is a level where maybe I will try open a long position. It's 1372. Got it. By VRVP indicator on the 12 time frame, the main point of control is here. It's 1329, this one. So 1370, 1330 it's the K level where the price previously worked like support, support, rejection, rejection, support. So I think around 1350, 1330, I will try open long. Stop loss in this case, it's hard to say where to add. Under this week, maybe like 2% stop loss. Yes, makes sense, like 13. Maybe. I will see. Take a look now with my customer set. What's going on now? A local one. 12 time frame, of course, we are in the sale zone, so it's more than okay. Now, to fix a profit, if you open at the leverage trades like 30% profit, so with the 10x leverage, now it's like 300. Amazing. Now it's time to step-by-step start selling, but without any divergence yet. Direction, now no signals to sell yet. Daily, I guess also, here was the main accumulation. Now it's a distribution, some type of distribution, and no signal to sell on direction. 4-hour time frame, here the main accumulation was here December 18. Now we pump it, and here's how the some intraday traders fix their profit. So I would like to see, yes, 1350, 13 maybe, 1330, and drop to accumulation zone on ADZ and accumulation by direction. Now it's kind of risky to open trade because I don't know where to add a stop loss. So stop loss here, it's like 4%, kind of big one. This one even bigger. Even with the second leverage, like 20% stop loss, it's not an option to trade like this one. Market mood, guys, definitely, of course, on 4 time frame, it's A-free, 12 time frame, A-free, daily time frame, kind of like a trill zone. Weekly, of course, it's a disbelief. So locally, yes, I showed you the zone. I don't think so. We will drop under $11 or 8. But all eyes basically on BTC dominance now. The main volume, the main position and accumulation from the whales been here like 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 days basically on 12 time frame. Yes, here 1, 2 days with RSI bullish divergence and MACD bullish divergence, and now the fixation. Last time when we saw the fixation, guys, it's kind of strange, but here. September it's on 25, September it's on 25, and after that we crash it down from 35 to 9. Of course, I don't think so. This is the same scenario. I don't think so. We're going to drop now from 14 to 5, for example. But just keep in mind it's possible. On the weekly time frame, yes, main accumulation was in November. So I guess intraday, yes, it's more than okay to see the pullback. The target I showed you, what I'm waiting for. But on the weekly and the monthly, I guess the whales in accumulation. Trade on, buy the last one for intraday was for swing position, not intraday. Buy December 19. Now it's take profit, no signal to sell. Let's add alert to sell. This one on 12 time frame, maybe for local position trades, local short. Now, of course, about the 1482, 1508, 1523, like a liquidity pool. This one here. So yes, technically we break this downtrend line, local one. Now we can already retest it, but I think we can drop under, and after that, everybody starts talking about, no, it was a fake out, but I hope to open position with the futures around 1350. And the last indicator, guys, it's take profit. Daily and 12 time frame. 12 time frame buy line retest, it's 891. I don't think so. We're gonna drop that low. Take profit 1783 on 12 time frame. Daily buy line test, it's 1051. Take profit line 2088. Exit line, it's a test of daily imbalance zone 2350. So I'm more about that like impulse, sideways impulse, because if we not hold the line here, the road can be open, yes, unfortunately, to the daily buy line. Weekly, we so underrated. That's why I'm more about test the buy line below and go higher to the daily imbalance zone and the weekly targets. So now locally, I showed you we're more than okay. For me personally, open the futures trades. For the spot, I'm not accumulating any token. So guys, if you'd like to trade with my customer, because I will show it in this video, just write in the DM. Don't forget, Joe Matekam channel. See you next time, guys.